In this video, I'll show you how to justify text in Google Docs. If you want your paragraphs to look cleaner and more balanced on the page, justifying the text is a simple way to do it. In Google Docs, justified text lines up evenly on both the left and right sides, which gives the paragraph a neater and more formal look. Google's help page says you can change alignment from the toolbar using Align or from Format, then Align and Indent, and one of the available options is Justified. To get started, open your document in Google Docs and highlight the text you want to justify. This can be one paragraph, several paragraphs, or even the whole document if you want everything to match. If nothing is selected, the alignment change will apply to the paragraph where your cursor is currently placed. Google's formatting guide specifically says you can go to the paragraph you want to change, or select multiple paragraphs first. Now look at the top toolbar and find the Align button. Click it, and you'll see the alignment choices: left, center, right, and justified. Choose Justified, and Google Docs will immediately adjust the selected text so both the left and right edges line up more evenly. This is the quickest method and works well for reports, essays, newsletters, and other formal-looking documents. You can also do the same thing from the menu bar. Click Format, then go to Align and Indent, and choose Justified. This gives you the same result, so you can use whichever method feels easier for you. Some people prefer the menu because it also helps them find other text layout tools in the same place. If you want a faster way, Google Docs also supports a keyboard shortcut. On Windows and Chrome OS, the Justify shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+J. On Mac, it is Command+Shift+J. That can save time if you format documents often and want to work more quickly without reaching for the mouse. One thing to keep in mind is that justified text can sometimes create larger spaces between words, especially if the lines are short or the page is narrow. So while justification can make a document look more polished, it is best used on regular paragraphs rather than very short lines or headings. If the spacing looks odd, you can always switch the paragraph back to left alignment. This is especially important in documents with bullets or narrow columns, where spacing may look less natural. So to justify text in Google Docs, select the paragraph, click the Align button in the toolbar, and choose Justified. Or go to Format, Align and Indent, and select Justified. You can also use the keyboard shortcut to do it even faster. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.